I don't know if this is the way in 2024 you rebuild a team by tearing it down to nothing. I've never seen it happen before. I've never seen teams been torn down to this level, and particularly on Chicago, where you've got this young phenom, Connor Bedard, who's going to be well known around the league for the next 20 years, hopefully. This is how he's starting his career on a bare bones team. I've never seen this happen before, and it drives me nuts because San Jose is the same way, and they're in a market, a small market team. Are there people actually going to the games to see San Jose Sharks this year? I haven't been out there, so I can't say, but I watch all their games, and man, I hope they're doing it the right way because they got a long way to go.